I will show you how to use a Balluff BNI-K025 with your CoDeSys V3.5 PDF. Now I'll open the program. There it's opening. Now upon startup, it will show you the option where you can open your project, or you can start a new project. Now I'm going to start a new project. I'm using a CECC-LK FESTO PLC, so I will select it there, and I will name this project Balluff. Okay. Now here we have two different types of FESTO PLC, and then we have the D and the LK. But in this case, we will be using the LK, which you can use with your IO link device, and then we can select your desired program technique, prefer structured text, and click OK. Now you can see that your IO link device is already there on the list of devices. We will now go to Tools, Device, whatever, and then go to Install. Now you will be installing your the setup for your Balluff, which you can get from their website, and then you open it. Now it's installing. You will see that your field buses now has your IO device. There you go. And then this is your BNI-IOL 310K025. That's your Balluff. Then now you can close, and then you would have to right click your device. You will insert a device. Now you go to your IO link thing, and then you insert it, and then you close there, and then now you go to your where you see 4 items which are written empty. You right click one, and then you plug device, and then you'll see IODD 1.0.1, and then you just simply extend it. You will now see your Balluff, and then you plug it. There you go. You have your Balluff on your list of devices. Now you can right click your Balluff, and then you go to IO link parameter, and then you would now go to parameter menu, and then in this case we are the specialist, and we want to change the inputs and outputs, which parameters we want to make input or output. Now you go to your direction. You would now see 16 ports which are on your Balluff. We can set anyone to be an input or output. So you would double click one, and then there you go. That one you would want it to be an input. In this case, I want 1 up to 8 to be inputs, and 1 up to 9 up to 16 to be my output. So I would easily change it from here. Output, 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 output. Input, input, output. There we go. Now I have 8 inputs and 8 outputs, which I would use for my project. Okay, now let's save before anything else. Save project S, documents. Okay, let me just save here, project Balluff, save. There we go. Now you will select your PLC program. You can start with your programming. Let's just start with a simple thing. Oh, sorry, before we go there, we would have to set up to rename our inputs and outputs. Then we go to IO link mapping. There you go. You would see that you have 1 up to 7, sorry, 0 up to 7 inputs and 0 up to 7 outputs. So you would use your you use this information. Sorry, let me see. Okay, there we go. Can you leave it here? Alright. So this one, I'm just gonna name it stop. Alright, there we go. I'm going to name my input 0 stop, and then my output 0 to be a red light. Remember, always do not use spaces, just use underscore. There we go. So I'm gonna make a little project there that will switch on. The stop button should switch on the red light. There we go. Now if not stop, then let me just make it easier for you guys. Then red is true. There is my little project. Now here my instruction will simply says that when you are not pressing the stop button, then the red light should be true. Then we go to compile, and then see here, compile, okay, no message, nothing, so knowing that everything is well. Now we go to download. Yes. Oh, okay, so I forgot to do one thing. I would set a sensitive path, so right, there you go. Now download, and then yes. Oh, there's an error. I didn't expect that. Oh, we have 2 errors. Red is not a valid target, and then okay, not a problem. Let me just see something here. Red is not a valid target. Okay, let me do this. Let me see. So what I did now, well, initially I put a red light on the second process data in, and as you can see from here, you have IX, and to me it sounds like an input. The reason why initially I put my red light here was because I thought that this would be the output and it wouldn't be an issue. So now it appears to be an issue. I would just shift the red light and then put it here where I see 3.0, and then my stop button is 2.0. Now this should be correct. Let's see. Compile. One problem again. The red light is not valid. Okay. me just say compile 2. Okay. Oh yeah, my mistake. Okay. No, to compile. There you go. Still the same thing. Okay. All right. Let's see. Compile. Perfect. There we go. Now download. Yes. There we go. Everything seems to be working nicely for us. I'm now gonna press play and check out my system. Looks like we still have a problem. I don't identify the. Let me try this. Very light. Okay, compile. Download. Yes. Done. Let's see. Wow, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. As you can see, everything is green, indicating that everything is accordingly. Now we have configured our Balluff successfully. Thank you.